friends, on this video right now I'm going to show you how you can off this Google voice typing on Samsung phone. So friends, before we start this video, do not forget to like and subscribe my channel. Okay, so let's start the video. So first of all friends, here you have to click on setting. When you click on setting, from here you have to scroll on down. And here you can see the option of the general management, so click on it. After that, here you can see the option of the keyboard list and default, and here is the Google setting. You can click on this keyboard Google setting, or you can click on keyboard list and default. Okay, after that, from here you can see on the Google setting you are not going to find this Google voice typing, so just click on keyboard and default. When you click on keyboard and default, here you can see Google voice typing. So if you want to off this Google voice typing, you just click on this icon here and your Google voice typing will be turned off. And if you want to activate it again, you just click on this icon, and here it says not after a reboot, this app can't start until you unlock your phone. Okay, so if you want to activate, just click on okay. Here it will be activate. Okay, and if you want to off again, you just click on this icon, it will be turned off. Okay, so this is how you can turn off your Google voice typing on your mobile phone. So friends, hope you loved the video, and if you love it, do not forget to like and subscribe my channel. Friends, thanks for watching. Bye.